Yo, what is up, YouTube? How's it going on, you spooky cats and dogs out there, and kitty cats as well? It's your pal, Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review for a certain mask. And what you're looking at is the Friday the 13th Part 5, A New Beginning, Jason mask. But if anybody would notice, this is not the Jason mask. If anybody has seen Friday the 13th Part 5, A New Beginning, you better watch that movie first because it's sort of a whodunit kind of film, but it is a good Friday the 13th film. But, like I said, watch Friday the 13th Part 5 in the beginning before you watch this video, or anybody's videos who have done Part 5, because this is what is known as the Roy mask, because of the markings on the chevrons on the mask, known as the blue chevrons, and it's coined to this day as the Roy, since due to the fact that Jason doesn't have a hockey mask like that. No, 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 no. That's not what it is. Is it? Who knows? Maybe it is, but I'm not gonna spoil too much for you boys and girls. And here it is. I got this at Target on Friday, of course, when I was grocery shopping with me ma to get some things. And what you're looking at here is the back, how it looks like. And of course, I finally found one. I was bothering buying it online, but I'm not risking. I mean, I do have a gift card, so I used it anyway. Couldn't buy it online, but I found it anyway. And all in all, this came out in 2016, 4 years ago. Let me take a look quickly on the release date, of course, to know exactly. It came out in 2016, yes. Let's see. March of 2016, a month before my birthday. So yeah. So the design of the mask is great. I mean, seriously, it's ridiculous. Take a look back. If you remember, the whole movie is Tommy Jarvis's nemesis back. You do see the teenage Tommy Jarvis. Here you have the straps. Very authentic. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Very, very carefully. I think this is what you have to adjust the mask or something. I'm not sure. I'll leave you a link in the description box for both the review spot. How do you put it? To like tell you the details. As well as Pizowell. Pizzowell. Pizzowell, of course. So shouts to you two guys. The review spot and Pizzow. So yeah. And I gotta say, the details look very great. If you, I mean, and also this is from New Line Cinema. You can even see the damn back of the label. And if you saw the back of it, of course, let's be clear. It doesn't even tell you the people who were involved in making this mask, but it says the logo for New Line Cinema. So let's just be clear. Part 5, A New Beginning, was released by Paramount, of course. So yeah, Paramount had the rights for parts 1 through 8 until New Line Cinema bought it in the 90s. And then, of course, we've been getting replica hockey masks. I have a part 3 as well, sealed up. And I want to ask anybody's opinion for collectors. Should I open this up? Perhaps try it? Or just leave it? Or maybe I could, maybe if I find another one, I'll open that one and leave this one. And also, if anybody knows who played Roy Burns, was actor Richard Weand. And if anybody noticed the video that I left the link for the making of Friday the 13th Part 5 in the beginning, don't get confused with only that's 5 minutes. It's a 5-minute documentary that was in the Crystal Lake to Manhattan. That was only interview with Corey Feldman, who played the young Tommy Jarvis in the film. In the opening, you do hear voice hearing in the movie on the teenage Tommy Jarvis. And also, if you notice that in the film he's wearing a different mask when you actually see. I mean, you do see the villain, but you don't see the face until the revealing happens, which is in the 3rd act. So yeah. Plus, what is it? And the imposter Jason, that's what it's coined as, or the Roy. He's played. It was I already said Richard Wean, but the guy doing the stunts and the killing was done by stuntman actor Tom Morga, of course. And if you see, if the interview, the making of Friday the 13th Part 5, which I'll leave it in the description box, it's cut to about part 1 and part 2, because there were like a few minutes of it and then half. That would make about 12-minute feature with interviews with stuntman actor Tom Morga, actor Richard Wean, Shavar Ross, and other people, including Danny Steinman, who back when he was alive, and also Harry Manfredini and some other people, including some film buff guru guy is interviewed in the movie, and an interview in the documentary. So what you're looking at, of course, is that in part 5, A New Beginning, everyone, of course, always said it's the imposter, not the real Jason. This guy with the hockey mask and the machete walking around killing people is close enough. So yeah, and of course, like I said in the previous video for Friday the 13th Part 5, A New Beginning, Jason, the real Jason figure, again, that was played by Tom Morga, and he wear the blue chevrons as opposed to, the blue chevrons, which is this, as opposed to the red chevron, which has half of it missing. Yeah, and he does play the real Jason in Illusions, where you see flashbacks, but you do see this mask as well. And Richard Wean learned a lot from Tom later, of course, in the production, how stuntmen try to copy the guy that they're doubling, which was kind of difficult that if Tom was trying to do that off, because both Richard and Tom were totally different sizes. Richard Wean is 6 feet, while Tom Morga is 6'1.5", or 6'2", if you will. And you couldn't even tell the difference from a standpoint, of course, if you ever saw the film. And of course, it was difficult to write the score for Part 5, and like Harry Manfredini says in the interview, because he was trying to get his head around of what is going on. And Friday 13th Part 5 felt like a Jason film, but in his heart, he knew it wasn't. But the essence of the film is Jason. That's what he was trying to pour and make it seem like it is, and revealing towards the end who it really is. It was revealed to be the ambulance driver. Oh wow. And of course, all in all, it is a great film. No lie, no kidding. And all in all, really guys, you could still get your hands. Might have showed you my fiberglass mask Part 5 that I got for my birthday at the time, and which was about 4 years ago, and I see this, I see reviews, and Pizzow does a review, but he doesn't do an unboxing, but he does the unboxing, meaning that when he got his mask, the packaging on this broke, like it was damaged, but the mask itself wasn't damaged. It's perfect. Not was past tense. No, the package may have been damaged, but this didn't leave any damages or marks. So kudos to that. Shoutouts to you, Pizzow. And I'll leave you a link in the description box down below on their videos, as well as the review spot. So shoutouts to you as well. Age 17 plus, Real Toys NECA. Like I said, this is not a toy. It is not a toy. And it is a good one. Even I showed you the back. The straps are very authentic, like we see in the film. And really, the look of it is great. A little bit weather worn. But all in all, NECA did a great job. There's no kidding, no lying. This is authentic. Even though you did, of course, you may have read it, it was made in China. Come on. Well, I highly doubt, I don't know, but this is real. I got this at Target, for crying out loud. This is a great mask. No lie. This is great. So yeah. So, anyways, um, and I'll leave you the documentaries down in the description box as well, and other things. So, with that, better sign off, and I'll see you on the next vid. This is Sparky Marky Mark. I'm out of here. Subscribe to my channel. Love my videos. Like my videos. Leave comments down below. Of course. I'm out of here. Be safe. God bless you. And beware of the boogeyman. Woo!